Hi, this is Tim Lamont, and this is our problem statement. It's about supporting tourists, and here we've updated the statement to define who the tourists are and what their motives are. Here's the details on update of changes, including from interview and from last assignment. And this is the update to research. We've updated what they are in terms of what they do exactly and how they differ in terms of how they're better than us. The blue are the update. And these are the new updated research completely from the interviews. And this is the first affinity diagram we've done. The first iteration consists of small groups and then into larger groups. And this is the final version. So this is the evolution. And this is a top-down version of what we think as developers. In terms of personal details, this is the findings and this is the recommendation. The same was done to all the other ones. And in the end, we've put everything together into a total recommendation, similar to the written parts, persona, hypothesis, everything else. And these ones, the larger part is to the prototypes. The persona has been updated with repair fixed bio and a frequently used app, and difficulties has all been updated. Hypothesis table is updated by mostly changing how it's measured. A greater variety was added, and these are the three core functions as shown on the screen. Next, we go into the actual prototype. Thank you. Individual effort. I think we did equal in this assignment's individual effort. And from here on, we go into the prototype. Thank you very much. So this is our prototype. It is this is the login page, and we can register it. And we can remember the password reset the password if we forget. We can type into any of these boxes. Obviously, since we don't have any authentication or server, this will actually in regardless. This is our main service for travelers to interact with each other on the site of travel and talk about their experiences in travel. We can go into these points and start conversations. I must make it clear, these are the posts people post on these places. When they speak about a place, they can start it here, say something, decide who can see it, and one of these would show up on the map. And other people can follow the post and talk more on it. The conversation can continue and they can post below. You can also talk to individuals. This is where we have what we have seen earlier. And we can also add them as a friend if they allow us to, and their information would be here, whatever they want us to see. Ours is here. The users page is here, and we can translate. This seems to be a problem we have discovered from our affinity diagram. We can translate based on taking a photo, but it'll take us to an exterior service. So it's taxi. We can get a taxi from exterior service, and here we go. We can also check the public transport, how that works, and click into one, and it'll show you. We can also book hotels, find a price range. This is another recommendation thing, and we can find the suitable one based on price range and other criteria. We can also search everything that's in the application. Will show up when you search keywords. And news. News is also a function. Local authorities should post whatever they want to post here, and that'll hopefully be informative to the users. And that is all of our functions, basically. Oh, also there is the weather function that has been requested. Thank you very much. This is generally all that we have achieved so far. Since we have to put in the interactions, we have had to rework the entire system, and that's why everything looks different. Thank you very much.